welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to review this new Stamos S-plasma 85 plasmacutter. The big box contains two other boxes. In this one we have the ground clamp, air hose, pressure regulator and some spare parts. The other box contains a torch. Because this is the CNC model, it comes with a straight torch and a longer hose. It also has a manual switch. You can operate it by hand if necessary. Having a quick look at the machine. It has a big cooling fan on the back and the on and off switch is this circuit breaker. Bottom we have the air intake pipe and an additional bolt for grounding of the chassis. On the front we have the machine connectors. Positive is for the ground clamp, the red one is the pilot arc trigger, next to it is the input port to fire the torch, and on the right we have the torch connector. This machine comes without a plug, you will have to wire it yourself. This particular machine is a 3-phase model without a neutral wire. Here we have the manual. I actually have read it, believe it or not. There is some useful information in it, but it's very basic. Still, it's better than most of the Chinese manuals. You will have to assemble the pressure regulator yourself. It comes with a nice little gauge, but unfortunately there are only 2 hose clamps supplied. One other thing, there is nothing to attach the pressure regulator to. You will have to mount it to your CNC machine or a wall. I temporarily fitted it to the side panel of my machine. I am connecting everything to test it manually first, before I hook it up to my CNC table. On the front we have 2 buttons. The left one is for adjusting the current. The button on the right regulates the airflow after turning off your torch. Here I am testing the pilot arc ignition system. You can connect positive and negative from your CNC to pins 3 and 4, but they don't specify the voltages or anything else. I have a relay that fires my torch, so I connected this to the pins 1 and 2 from the manual button. happy with this machine, especially in this price range. It comes with a straight torch and longer hose specifically designed for CNC. Most importantly, it doesn't have the horrible RF interference that the cheaper Chinese ones. Stamos did a great job on this one. I think it's a good deal for the hobbyists and semi-professionals. It seems like it's a very solid machine and I'm going to enjoy it for the next couple of years. Thanks for watching everyone, and if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe or leave a comment below.